Welcome to the second part of the HTML tutorial. If you have not seen the first part, then you can watch it by going to the HTML playlist. So friends, if you have not subscribed the channel, then please subscribe Free Code GYAN channel, where you will get all the knowledge for free. So let's start the second part of the HTML tutorial. What is the less than title greater than tag? Choose the title of your web page carefully. The title of a web page determines its ranking in certain search engines. The title will also appear on favorite lists, history lists, and bookmark lists to identify your page. So now we discuss what is text formatting. Manipulating text in HTML can be tricky. Oftentimes, what you see is not what you get. For instance, special HTML tags are needed to create paragraphs, move to the next line, and create headings. So now we discuss what is heading. Web pages are typically organized into sections with headings. To create a heading, use the expression less than h greater than, h greater than, where n is a number between 1 and 7 in this case. The 1 corresponds to the largest size heading while the 7 corresponds to the smallest size. So now we discuss comment statement. Comment statements are notes in the HTML code that explain the important features of the code. To create a comment statement, use the example, less than your text area, greater than tags. So now we discuss image tag. Type less than imgsrc equals image.ext, greater than, where image.ext indicates the location of the image file. The width equals n and height equals n attributes can be used to adjust the size of an image. So now we discuss our last topic, what is links and how can use. For example, if we want to put the link of our channel, I would type less than href equals https://www.youtube.com/channel/ucbzobp3h3 quizvexcularsmac, greater than free code GYAN less than a greater than then link redirect in our channel. Please do what we are telling you and implement it on your system by yourself. And definitely tell us in the comment who implemented it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.